Here I have a standard AutoCAD callout bubble on my screen. And this callout bubble has attributes in it. This can be any block with attributes for this discussion. There are times when we don't need to have the attributes in place. So some of us explode our block to convert it to lines, arcs, circles, or polylines. But the problem is, we lose the data for the attribute. And this becomes a tag ready to be used again. So if you had to type something in, we all know that you can't put spaces in tags. So you're stuck with using this as a single text entity with no spaces. So for this, there is a special command that you can use instead of explode. Try using the burst command. The burst command basically explodes the block into lines, arcs, circles, polylines, or whatever. But also, it converts the tags into text. So therefore, you can keep the data and edit it as well. So I hope you use this command. Thanks for watching.